guys, good morning mga idol. Duty muna tayo sa New Cairo. May on-call duty tayo. Hindi muna tayo mga 1 hour to 2 hours ang biyahe. So keep watching on the road, alright? See you on the road. Okay guys, see ya.
Antok ako, ganito lang ginagawa ko, magsa-sounds na lang. Labanan ng antok, alright. Right, malapit-lapit na ako. Kunting-kunti na lang. Kahit pa paano, nawala-wala ang antok ko, alright.
Hello, good morning. Dito naman tayo, on-call duty. Dito guys, good morning. Good morning, call. On-call duty naman tayo, see you on the road. Have a nice day, and keep safe palagi. Okay guys, bye-bye, see you on the road. Ito yung big bike, alright. Big bike na bigla. Ayun, dito na kami, alright. May checkpoint, security mo, security. So.
Right, nandito na kami, thanks God. Nandito na ako, alright. Magdi-deliver lang naman ako ng gamit at saka konting setup ng mga gamit, linis at saka okay na, go na, alright. Okay guys, thank you for watching.